Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Art by If Saddle. Today, we're going to dive into the world of art and explore a unique and captivating form of expression called the aesthetic intro. The aesthetic intro is a brief yet visually striking presentation that sets the tone and mood for a video or a piece of content. It's a powerful tool that captures the viewer's attention and encourages them to stay and engage with your content. So, let's get started on creating the perfect aesthetic intro for your YouTube channel. First and foremost, it's essential to choose a color scheme that resonates with your brand and content. Consider using colors evoke emotions or evoke a sense of nostalgia, as they can help establish a strong connection with your audience. Next, you'll want to focus on the composition and visual elements. The aesthetic intro should be a balance of simplicity and intricacy. Keep it simple by focusing on a few key visuals, and let the complexity come from the arrangement and interaction of these elements. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. Some popular aesthetic intro styles include minimalism, abstract art, and illustrations. Remember, the goal is to create a visually stunning and engaging piece that captures your audience's attention. Lastly, be sure to keep your voiceover concise and engaging. Use it to set the scene, introduce the content, and maintain the viewer's interest throughout the aesthetic intro. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to creating a captivating and memorable aesthetic intro for your YouTube channel. Remember to keep experimenting and perfecting your style until you've created a presentation that truly represents your brand and content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.